The Bespoke AI Laundry Combo is equipped with advanced controls for a modern navigation experience. The LCD panel is where most actions will happen. It's flanked by a dedicated power and smart control button. Press the power button to turn on the unit. The home screen shows you the currently selected cycle and some basic actions and options. You can return to this screen at any time by pressing the Home button. Tap on the cycle to view its details. From here, you can toggle a wash or dry process on and off. And change options like detergent levels and temperature. Note that this will change the total estimated cycle time from start to finish, including both the wash and dry processes. Check out more cycles from here or the home screen. This button gently opens the door to the drum. Check out the details to choose the right one for your load. Swipe to the right to display panels related to dispenser and drum care and usage stats. Tap on one of the first two panels for more information and options. Tap on one of the usage panels for a more detailed usage timeline. The Settings menu button is located next to the Home. General settings customize your user experience, like language, units, and interface setting. You can activate a control lock, which can help to avoid accidentally starting the unit. When enabled, you will need to press and hold the Unlock button on the panel for 3 seconds. Scroll all the way to the bottom to access Support, Documentation, and Software updates. Washer settings adjust parameters of the laundry cycles. Apps are available for a wide range of functions. Swipe up the handle to open the App dock. Here, you'll see up to 5 app icons. Tap the App Tray button to see and use all of your available apps. Finally, you can press the Smart Control button to hand over control of your laundry to your connected mobile device. Load your laundry combo, then press the button. The drum will lock, and you'll be able to start any cycle remotely from your device.